Hi there, students. Twaddle. Twaddle is an uncountable noun, and you can also use it as a verb. Twaddle is nonsense, rubbish. Somebody is talking twaddle. The earth is flat. Twaddle. Mr. Trump won the election. Twaddle. Rubbish. You don't know what you're talking about, yeah? You need to get your facts straight. He's talking a load of old twaddle. You can also use it to mean what the person is saying is trivial, irrelevant, or pretentious. But most commonly, it's just rubbish, nonsense. His ideas are a load of snobbish twaddle. He's always talking about snobbish twaddle, about manners and things like that. Notice, to talk twaddle, not to say. He's talking twaddle, don't talk twaddle. And twaddle is uncountable, not a twaddle, twaddle. And very often we use this phrase, a load of old twaddle, a load of old rubbish, a load of old nonsense, but a load of old twaddle, or just a load of twaddle. So, empty, silly, foolish talk, or nonsense, or rubbish, or something pretentious as well. Get your facts right and stop talking twaddle. Okay, it's also possible to use twaddle as a verb. It's less common, but it's still used. What are you twaddling about? What's that rubbish that you're saying? He's always twaddling about upper class manners. So twaddle, nonsense, garbage, bull, crap, hot air, tosh, waffle, bilge, drivel, tripe, guff, claptrap, hogwash, tommy rot, and many others. Okay, so we're using twaddle to say that something doesn't make sense. It doesn't have any sense. It's just not reasonable or logical. The only thing that comes out of his mouth is utter twaddle, utter, complete. So don't listen to him. Yeah? Twaddle, rubbish. Okay, to twaddle is a regular verb. He twaddles about his successes all day. He's twaddled all his life about this. I can play for Manchester United. Twaddle. Now, next question, formality. This is very informal. I'd probably give it 2.5 in formality, 2, I think in something more formal, to talk rubbish or to talk nonsense. And then the origin, that's more difficult. There's an old English word, twattle, which means long-winded, verbose talking, going on and on about something. And this is also related to the word tattle, to chat, to prattle. Okay? So, twaddle, a load of rubbish. So, I hope this video is not a load of old twaddle. But if it is, say so in the comments section. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Time for me to stop twaddling.